Hello my friends, today I am going to teach you about some confusing words. Confusing words are those which look similar in spelling, in pronunciation, but their meaning is totally different. So there are some confusing words in this. The first, pray. P-R-A-Y, pray is a verb. Pray means प्रार्थना करना, प्रार्थना करना. The spiritual communion with God, प्रार्थना करना. Second, the similar word of pray is also P-R-A-Y, pray. Pray is also noun and a verb both. Pray means शिकार या शिकार करना. Like the deer is eaten by loin, so the deer is the loin's prey. Deer became the loin's prey. Sometimes a man became the prey of an illness or disease, like he became the prey of malaria, he became the prey of typhoid. Prey means शिकार होना या शिकार करना. शिकार होना. So these are the similar words in pronunciation, but they are different in meaning. Pray means प्रार्थना करना. He prayed God. He prayed to God. उसने भगवान से प्रार्थना की. Loin killed the deer, so deer became the prey of loin. A man became the prey of malaria. So pray means शिकार होना. शिकार करना. Pray both noun or verb. There are similar second type of words. Root. Root is the noun. Root means rasta. Way या course. Rasta. Root. This is the root of Kalpana Traveler's bus. I was this route. The route means rasta, way, course. So the route, R-O-U-T, route means a rasta. Second, the root. This is also a noun. The root is also noun or a verb. The root means jad, neem. They say this is the root of a tree. The root means the foundation of anything. That is the root, foundation of anything. Second, route. Route means project. This is also a noun and a verb. Project. Route means project. He routed the army. उसने आर्मी को परिचित किया. Route means project का नाम. Route means the foundation of anything. Route means the way, रास्ता. These are three similar words in pronunciation. Pronunciation समान है, language समान है. They are different in meaning. Meaning में तीनों अंतर है. The third type of verb is censor. Censor is also a verb and noun. Censor means to blame, blaming, criticize. आलोचना करना, दोष लगना, कंडेम, निंदा करना. सेंसर मीन्स ब्लेमिंग, क्रिटिसाइजिंग, condemning, abusing, censoring. So this is the verb, blame करना, criticize करना. Second, this is also a censor. Censor means the person who censoring, an official who blames, who criticizes. The board, sometimes you see the censoring board, the board that remove the objectionable scene of the film या movie की जो उसमें scene आता है उसको कहते हैं censor board. This censor means the official, the board that are doing the action of censoring. Censoring का जो कार्य करता है वो होता है censor. तो censor board. Censor means this is a noun not a verb. Censor means who one who criticize या censor, वह व्यक्ति जो सेंसर कार्य करता है, जो क्रिटिसाइज का कार्य करता है. So these are also the similar words, censor and censor. This is the verb. Censor means criticizing, censor means blame. This censor, C-E-N-S-O-R, censor means the person who censors, the person who view to remove the objectionable part. Objectionable part हटाने के लिए जो व्यू करता है, क्रिटिसाइज करता है, उसको सेंसर कहते हैं. To view, to watch, to remove the objectionable scene या objectionable part. The fourth, site. Site means स्थल. This is also a noun. This means स्थल, the work site, the site of a city, the site of a building, the work site. The person died on the site. Site means स्थल. Second site is the दृश्य. This is also a noun. दृश्य. दृश्य means vision. This is eyesight. A lost is eyesight. Vision. V में से vision. He lost eyesight. I sighted the tree. Sight means दृश्य, vision. Second sight, this is the verb. Third, this sight means उद्गृत करना, कहना something. I cited the story. The poet cited the example. Someone cited me the accident. उद्गृत करना, say to say something, कुछ कहना. To say something, cite. So these three are similar words: cite, cite, and cite. Cite means the work site. Cite, eyesight, eye vision. This is cite, S-I-G-H-T. C-I-T, cite means to say something, कुछ कहना. The fifth, desert. Desert means this is the noun and also a verb. Noun भी होती है और verb भी होती है. Cite, desert means मरुस्थल. The desert, Marusthal, Rajasthan desert, where nothing grows, only sand dunes के उनके मिट्टी के धीरे धोरे होते हैं, sand dunes that are called the desert. Desert means to separate, इसका मतलब अलग करना होता है. जैसे my parents deserted me, someone deserted their brothers. Desert means अलग करना. मरुस्थल होता है नाउन, और उसका होता है मरुस्थल. और डेजर्ट मीन्स पार्टेड, अलग करना. सो डेजर्ट हैज टू मीनिंग. डेजर्ट के दो मीनिंग है. एज ए नाउन इट मीन्स मरुस्थल. नाउन के मतलब मरुस्थल होता है. डेजर्ट एज ए वर्ब. डेजर्ट एज ए वर्ब मीन्स टू डेजर्ट, अलग करना. द पेरेंट डेजर्टेड देयर सन. द पेरेंट्स डेजर्टेड देयर सन्स, समवन, डॉटर. Desert करना, अलग करना. Desert, this is not the desert, this means desert. Desert is also a noun. Desert means एक मिठाई, a sweet confection. और desert also the principal theory. प्रिंसिपल सिद्धांत होता है, उसको भी डेजर्ट कहते हैं. सो दीज आर द कन्फ्यूजिंग वर्ड्स. परे, परे, रूट, 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 सेंसर, सेंसर, साइट, 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 डेजर्ट, डेजर्ट, डेजर्ट. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स. प्लीज रीड. सम अदर वर्ड्स आर वेदर. वेदर इज ए नाउन, संज्ञा है. वो वेदर मीन्स मौसम. Like the today's weather is very hot, today's weather is very cool. Mosam, that is the weather. It's very hard, harsh weather. क्लाउडी वेदर, वेदर मौसम होता है. सेकंड वेदर इज द सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन, ओनली डिफरेंस दैट WHETHER, this is the weather and this is also weather. There is no difference between pronunciation, उच्चारण में ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. This weather is a conjunction, it is a conjunction, जोड़ने वाला शब्द है. वेदर मीन्स या तो या, वेदर और, लाइक वेदर you like me or not, whether she goes to home or his school, whether he reads at home or watch the TV. Whether means yeah, whether or. Most of the time two sentences are combined, two sentences joined with whether or, whether and or. Whether he likes the tea or coffee, whether he watches the whether he watches the TV or listen the radio. Whether or is a conjunction and this whether is मौसम. So these are similar words and most of the time they are confusing. This whether is the noun and this one is the conjunction. Next, this is the weather. Weather is the verb. Weather means to मुरझाना, to wither away. Wither means मुरझाना. The flower withered away. The branch of the tree withered away because of the cutting away. काटे जाने का पेड़ की सगाई मुरझा गई. Wither means मुरझाना. Wither, this is the verb. Second form of this is withered. Wither means मुरझाना. This is also wither. It is the old fancy word wither. Wither, wither means bear. WH word is the old fancy word. ओल्ड में पुरानी प्रचलन में वेहर को वीदर कहा जाता था. वीदर, डू यू लाइक टू गो. वीदर, हैव यू लिव्ड. वीदर मीन्स कहां. दिस इज द सीज. सीज इज ऑल्सो ए वर्ब. सीज मीन्स स्टॉप, रुकना, होल्ड. स्टॉप और होल्ड, रुकना. जैसे आई सीज माई ब्रेथिंग. द आई ट्विकिंग सीज्ड. आई ट्विकिंग सीज्ड, रुक गई, स्टॉप. एंड दिस इज द सीज. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल confusing these words, also mispronounce these words. Siege, this is not the siege, this is the siege and this is the siege. Siege means to hold forcefully, जबरदस्ती लेना. जैसे the police seized the Turk, the army seized the smuggled goods, army seized the ships. जब्त करना, seize, this is the siege. It is also a verb. Siege means जब्त करना. To take something forcefully, किसी चीज को जबरदस्ती हथिया लेना. The police seized the truck. Someone seized me, या टेरर सीज्ड मी, आतंक ने मुझे जन्म दिया. हंगर सीज्ड द पुअर, भूखमरी ने गरीबों को जकड़ लिया. सीज मीन्स जकड़ लेना या जब्त करना. So this is the siege and this one is a siege. These are the similar, little bit in meanings. Meanings भी similar है. Seize means stop, hold. जैसे I seized my breathing, my eyes twitching ceased. सीज मीन्स रुकना, होल्ड करना, रोकना, एंड सीज मीन्स जकड़ना या जब्त करना. Next is canvas. Canvas means this is the canvas and this also is canvas. This is the wall. Canvas means to woo the voters, to campaign for votes. Votes के लिए campaign करना, woo the voters, voters को बहलाना, woo the voters, vote मांगना. Canvas. And this is the also canvas. Canvas is the noun. This canvas means जिसको तिरपाल कहते हैं, a thick plastic something तिरपाल उनमें से we can do painting, जिस पर पेंटिंग की जा सकती है. This is the canvas. So canvas हिंदी में. So these two are similar. This canvas means to woo the voters, vote मांगना, campaign for vote, vote के लिए campaign करना. This canvas means तिरपाल on which we can do painting, draw pictures बना सकते हैं. This is the sewa. Sewa means to cut off, काटना. This is the verb. जैसे severed, the terrorists severed the throat of the soldiers. terrorist ने severed कर दिया, काट दिया, अलग करना. severed is the verb to cut away, काट देना. And this is the sever. Sever means कठोर. sever person, the sever aunt, सख्त. This is a adjective. Clear? Sat. A disciplined man. This is the siva, and this is the sever. Sever means to cut away, काटना. To cut away someone, cut away the hands of someone. This means sever the hand, sever the throat, severed the part of something. इस चीज को part को अलग करना. This is the sever. Brutally attacked, पासुलू से अटैक करना. That is the sever. Sever means, this is the adjective. Sever means से तिरो बोल सकते हैं. This is the sewer. Sewer means नाला. This is the noun. Sewerage system, नाले system. This is the sewerage नाले. These are the similar words in pronunciation and little bit in spelling, but they are different in meaning. These are the confusing words, and it's important for all of us to know their meaning because they are really important in viewpoint of exams. So please watch this video, and if